Sheriff's office, let me see your hands now.
I'm all right.
Get your hands up.
Why do I have to put my hands up?
Get your hands up.
I'm on my fuck.
Thank you. Lori?
Yeah.
Hey, Lori. Hey, Lori.
Leave me alone.
No, I'm not going to leave you alone.
All right, get out.
I don't want to go to jail.
Yeah, I don't want you to go to jail either.
I'm on the phone with my daughter.
Okay. That's fine, Miss Lori, but you got to come with us right now, all right? Grab all your stuff. You can leave the beer.
Oh, where do I have it?
It's empty. Oh, well.
It's not empty.
Oh, good. You got. All right, Miss Lori, come with us, all right?
Because my bitch.
You're gonna fall. I just don't want you to fall. That's
No,
all.
I'm not falling.
You seem to be a little bit falling.
No, I'm not. No, the bitch kicked me out.
What'd she kick you out
I
for,
only
Miss
came here
Lori?
one night.
All right, let's walk on with the
Are you arresting me?
I'm taking you out of the street now because you're way drunk, Miss Lori. You're way
No,
drunk.
I
Miss-
chose to sit where I
Miss Lori, I can smell it.
I don't care. So what? I'm not driving. So what?